Likely to be the case again today, especially for those earlier morning deliveries, because winds are expected to peak around 9-10 o'clock today. So expect that as well out on the roads. A couple spotty showers if you've got an early start, but nothing too significant. We are starting to watch a lot of that cloud cover push on out and already seeing some clearing up in Algona this morning. Some cool air, 46 degrees, and continuing to filter in some of those northwesterly winds, making things feel a little bit more like the low 40s. Hate to break it to you, tomorrow you're going to be feeling like the low 30s and possibly even the upper 20s. We are going to continue to cool down from here. But for today, we'll at least warm up a little bit for this afternoon. Over the next 12 hours, we will be working our way up to the mid 50s. Not very warm. It's about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than yesterday. And we're looking to keep those winds with us as well. Again, peaking late morning, but still sticking around between 15 to 20 miles per hour as we head late afternoon into the early evening. Those gusts likely to exceed 35 miles per hour for Ames, getting close to it for Algona and Des Moines as we head into the late morning hours. From there, we'll watch those winds slowly go on the decline. You can see your gusts as well continuing to calm things down. And by tomorrow morning, we really won't be worried all too much with any of that wind. Instead, our focus is going to be on your feels like temperatures in those low 30s and upper 20s. A lot of cool air coming our way, and that's why the National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a frost advisory that includes much of central Iowa. This is a heads up now for your plants, for your pets, and so you know that you'll need the heater likely tomorrow morning for that commute. This is going to start at 1 a.m. and stay with us until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. So we'll be talking a lot about that then. In the meantime, we are looking up to the northeast where I expect we'll continue to see some light scattered showers. For your Friday morning, we're going to keep those skies pretty clear to start with the exception of some cloud cover off to the west. That may keep any of that frost from happening over that direction, but otherwise that's going to allow us to cool down pretty nicely. A mix of sun clouds for your Friday. Overnight heading into Saturday, some light showers do start to arrive and continue to build in throughout much of the day. It's going to be a damp start to the weekend and even into your Sunday. Some light scatters, light scattered showers. There we go. That's going to be left behind for your Sunday morning until we start to dry things out a little bit more. Today, though, it will be mostly dry, just a few of those spotty showers, cool and windy conditions in the upper 50s, and overnight dropping those temperatures down into the 30s. Patchy frost. It is going to be really cool, and we've got another round of that coming for us, likely looking towards your Monday, but that's going to have at least the weekend in between, so we get a brief moment to recover. Still a cool weekend for us in the 50s. 70s are expected to be back as we head Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They'll be a lot more comfortable at that point.